If you want a touch of beautiful sweet aromatherapy in your home, you can't go far wrong. Then just have one of these. It's a Madagascar jasmine, Stephanotis as it's otherwise known. It's got these lovely oval, thick emerald green leaves, usually trained onto a hoop, and these are all the buds just waiting to burst out into flower. Lovely star-shaped flowers that come from this, and the fragrance is absolutely heavenly. If you want to aid your sleep by having sweet fragrance in your bedroom at night, or something to add fragrance in your bathroom, your lounge, or even your kitchen, you can't go far wrong with this plant here. It's a superb houseplant to be part of your collection. For more information on Madagascar jasmine and many other beautiful fragrant indoor plants, my houseplant changed my life. It's published by DK Books. For more information, you can visit my website, daviddomoney.com.